Okay, so for the statistics of coronavirus in Germany, there's 187,423 cases total, and 8,867 of those are deaths. 171,900 have recovered. As far as active cases in Germany, 6,656 patients are currently infected with coronavirus. 93% of those infected have a mild condition, so 6,209, and 7% of those currently infected are in serious or critical condition, which is 447. Now, if we're talking about Italy, there's 236,651 total cases, 34,301 of those being deaths, and 174,865 of those are recovered. Again, in Italy, there's 27,485 currently infected patients. 99% of those currently infected have a mild condition, so 27,265, and only 1% of those currently infected have a serious or critical condition, which is 220.